just 15 minutes ride out of town.
Yes, sir.
Tell them.
Hello, we are here at Heatherbrae Lake, and we are going here. We are here to bike.
Oh,
Heatherbrae. Heatherbrae.
Huh?
Okay, and then we're here to bike. And before, we went biking here, and we're gonna bike again. And also, we went biking here before, so we're gonna bike again. Our bikes are over there. We can also go boating right there. You would go right here. Oh, but it's blocked. I'm pretty sure you would go right here. You drive your car down, then with a boat, then you lift off over there. Also, this is where you can ride this little, what do you call these? Let's just say it's a floating thing. Then we go here. If the boat is down there, then the boat will be here. Then we would go in here to there. It's still ice because it just turned spring, and I'll show you when we're gonna go biking.
So they're gonna go for biking. Lang ano. So this is the place. We went boating here, but the water is still frozen. We have a nice weather today, so we went outside. So there is also a playground and some tables and chairs where you can go picnic. It's nice to have a party here, go fishing, or you can also swim here on the lake. And by the way, this is a man-made lake. Go biking around the lake, walking or jogging. It's a nice place. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
deep in the shadows. I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just a